Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set custom notification sound on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. If we want to change our notification sound, usually we have to go to our settings application. Then we have to open the sounds and vibration setting and click on notification sound. But here, as you can see, that there's no option to set custom notification. But don't worry guys, if you have the same problem, I'm going to give you the tutorial how we can set custom notification sound on Android phone. So we have to open our file manager on our phone. You have to go to your file manager or my file application, and here we have to open the internal storage and make sure that you move the sound that you want to set as your notification sound to the notification folder. You have to move the sound right here. So for instance, I'm going to select sound from my music folder. I'm going to use the sound as my notification sound. So we can click on the sound. You can click and hold on it, then you can click on move or copy, and I'm just going to move it. Then I'm going to open my notification folder. Okay, then click on move here. Okay, and after that, we're going to go back to the settings, and here click on the notification sound, and okay, this is the sound that I have just added to the notification folder, and we can click on it to use this sound as our notification sound on our Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can set custom notification sound on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.